This is the Tecno Camon 50 Pro, which we shall be unboxing today. But before we do that, let's see what we have. So all round, nothing but labeling, smooth labeling all round, Tecno branding, and this is the Moon Shadow Black. So let's take a look inside, shall we? So I'm going to get my box opener. Let's get rid of that. Slide the box gently. There we go. Take this out. We have our phone here. Let's put that away. First, see what else we have inside here. We have a charging brick, a 45-watt charging brick from Tecno. That's all right. Standard Type A, Type C charging cable. Standard cable. Put that away. Nothing else in the box, as you can see. We have our paperwork, I presume. So just open this. There we go. SIM ejector tool. Put that away. Have standard paperwork and warranties. We also have this pretty cool back case or back cover for your Tecno Camon 50 Pro. And we also have this screen protector. That's pretty nice of them to do. And I assume these are the alcohol wipes to help you in installing this screen protector. So here's our Tecno Camon 50 Pro, and see what it looks like. There we go. As you can see, it's the Moon Shadow Black, as earlier stated. So your standard USB-C charging port, your SIM card slot, speakers, microphones, antenna, camera, and that's basically it for the unboxing of this phone. Nothing more. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with us as we do the first time setup and fast boot, and God bless.